Hi everyone, I'm Vanessa Steiner and I'm going to be showing you how to use Evernote in the classroom. It can be used on a desktop computer, on an iPad, mobile devices, or anywhere where you can download an application. First, on the desktop, you will need to open up a web browser. I will be using Internet Explorer. In your search bar, you want to enter evernote.com. This will bring you to Evernote's homepage. As you can see, there are 4 different purchasing options for Evernote: the Basic, the Plus, the Premium, and the Business. Today we will be using the free option. This option has all of the tools to stay organized, and it still connects all of your devices within the classroom and outside of the classroom. First things first, you need to click Sign Up. After you do that, you will enter your email address and create a password that is safe and secure. Since I already have an account, I'm going to click Sign In, and I am also going to enter my email and then my password. After you do that, you'll be directed into the Evernote app. And now we can explore. This is a very simple looking app, and we are just going to go over these tools on the sidebar. The first one is New Note, Search, Work Chat, Shortcuts, Notes, Notebooks, and Tags. As a student or a teacher, the first thing that you want to do is to create notebooks. Click on Notebooks. As you can see, I have already created some notebooks. In the classroom and in school, it's important to create notebooks for the different subject areas, such as algebra, astronomy, literature, and U.S. history. This will allow the teacher or the student to stay organized and keep their notes in order. Within these notebooks are all of your notes. For example, if we click on U.S. history, here's a note that I have already written about the presidential race. Each note has a title, and within it is the information and any pictures or links that you want to add. So you must be thinking, how do we create a note? Well, it's very simple. So within your notebook, you want to click on the plus sign. New note. All you do is title your note. So if you're learning about the past presidents today in U.S. history, you can say past U.S. presidents. And then you click right below the title and you just start typing away. Another feature in Evernote is the editing tools. So you can edit your notes, change the fonts, change the size, colors, pretty much use it just like a Word document. After you are done with your note, you just go over to this corner and click Done. This note is now part of the U.S. History notebook. If you accidentally put a note into the wrong notebook, it's very easy to change. You go up to the top of the note, click on this arrow, which is Move Note, and you can put it into the correct notebook which it belongs. Another great feature of Evernote is the shortcut tool. Here, you can make shortcuts which directly relate to certain notes or notebooks in order to have easy access to them. For example, if you're a teacher and you want to keep your to-do list, your important dates, and your classroom attendance very easily accessible to you, you can make them into shortcuts. Now, how do you do that, you may be asking? So same thing as adding a note. You go into the notebooks, you find your classroom attendance. You see this star here? Right now, there is a shortcut, so you just click on it. I remove the shortcut, and you add the shortcut. It has been added to the shortcut list. Another great tool in Evernote is that you can make lists. For example, important dates or classroom attendance. Oh. So here you see the classroom attendance has a list of all of your students. So homeroom, February 22nd. You can check off if your students were there that day or if they completed an assignment. And you can have that list accessible to you on your phone, on your iPad, or your laptop, or really any device that you have. The last tool that I want to talk about is the search tool. Here, you can search in all of the notes very, very easily. All you do is type in class, and you can search in all of your notebooks. So then it searches in all of your notebooks, and any time that you wrote the word class, it will come up in your notes. I think this is a great tool to use for teachers or for students. Evernote is so great for classroom teachers and students because it can be implemented into any subject area and almost any grade level. If you haven't yet, take a couple minutes to go explore Evernote today.